Greetings. My name is Ikshita Gupta, and today, on behalf of my school, I would like to present my self composed poetry on the topic Taxes are the backbone of the nation. One fine day in the court of law, there was a petition filed against the tax laws. A common man had filed a plea to make the country tax free. The request was heard and the court was summoned. No excuse was to be commissioned. The court was paralyzed saturday. For the firm argued in pain. Every month, my hard earned toil goes in vain as I stare at the news that flashes to see that the fruits of my labor burn in ashes. From the silent song of greed to the political scandals indeed, as my pent up frustration grows, to fathom no visible change in the community that just shows. Grand promises made so high to maintain buildings and roads to satisfy. Yet I continue to traverse the road with potholes, for I question their transparency with no red tape bureaucracy. Not if the officials argued in action. Taxes are the backbone of the nation. From the Chandrayaan 3 that revolves being the moon's prime, to the bullet trains that will fly on land in near time. The Statue of Unity that soars so high, all due to the strength of your coins, we unify. For if you say your fruits disillusion, in the standing strength of our pride lies its illusion, as this lifeblood stays in overlooked reality, maintaining a nation's gravity. And so the verdict, although harsh, was clear. With the silence among common man so unclear, as a small sacrifice is worth for the nation to suffice. Can we ignore the silence they wield? Is the loudest voice of the nation indeed. Can we ignore the silence they wield? Is in fact the loudest voice of the nation indeed. Thank you.